Generating a lot of leads online? In this Privyr tutorial, we'll show you a faster, easier way to receive, contact, and follow up with every lead, whether you're working solo or with a team. Privyr CRM offers no-code integration with popular lead sources like Facebook lead ads, so you will never have to manually export leads. You can even automatically respond to new leads 24/7 via WhatsApp and run automated follow-up sequences to engage leads across multiple weeks or months. You'll also get team features, powerful analytics, and meta leads optimization, all bundled into one simple CRM. Let's dive into how everything works. You can easily connect Privyr to all of your lead sources, including Facebook lead ads, Google Form, your website, and more. Setup only takes seconds, and you will find the complete list under your Integrations tab. If your lead source isn't on the list, you can still connect it using Zapier, Public Connect, or even Privyr webhooks. If the platform doesn't support that but sends you emails about new leads, you can use our AI lead parsing tool. Privyr will automatically detect and import new leads from your email inbox. Besides that, you can also create Privyr lead forms, a super simple way to collect contact details online or offline. Use this if you just need a simple form for events or registrations. You will get a link and a QR code you can share on your social media, flyers, business cards, and more. It's even connected to your Privyr account, so new leads are automatically synced. Once your lead sources are connected, every new lead will automatically add it to your Privyr account. Whenever a new lead comes in, you will get an instant alert on your phone. You can just tap to view all the details they submitted. From here, you can easily contact them in one click via phone call, WhatsApp, SMS, Telegram, email, and more. You can also add the lead to predefined follow-up sequences, which help you automatically engage them across multiple days, weeks, or months without having to type or remember a thing. I'll touch more on this later. If you want to view all your leads, simply go to your Clients tab on the mobile or web app. You can easily see which leads are uncontacted and take action. To be even more proactive, you can also turn on new lead reminders. Privyr will automatically remind you if a new lead hasn't been contacted within 15 and 16 minutes. This setting can be enabled under your Account tab, Settings, Notifications. If you want to instantly respond to all new leads via WhatsApp, you can fully automate that with Privyr's WhatsApp autoresponder. Every time a new lead comes in, Privyr will instantly and automatically message new leads using your own WhatsApp business number. This official WhatsApp integration runs 24/7. Even while you're sleeping or offline, you can instantly reach out to new prospects with an auto-personalized introduction when they're most engaged. It only takes seconds to set up your autoresponder. Just go to your Integrations tab on Privyr Web. Click on Configure Lead Automations, then on WhatsApp Autoresponder. If you want a super easy way to follow up with leads multiple times across different channels, try using sequences in Privyr. You can engage your leads with a predefined set of actions over multiple days, weeks, or months without having to type or remember a thing. Sequences can include templated messages, trackable files, phone calls, time delays, and other types of follow-ups. For example, here's my intro sequence for new leads. This 3-step sequence ensures that whenever I receive a new lead, I'll always instantly send them an intro message on WhatsApp. Then 2 hours later, I'll call the lead to try and get them to book a viewing. Then wait 1 day before sending them a trackable brochure. Once you add people to a follow-up sequence, Privyr automatically tracks the progress for each lead and guides you through every action. As each step is due, you will receive an alert, and all you need to do is tap to execute. It's that easy to make sure you follow the perfect playbook for every lead. To create sequences, go to your Content tab on Privyr mobile or web. Click on Sequences, then on New Sequence. You can also set the default intro sequence, which will be automatically suggested at the bottom whenever you view a new or uncontacted lead. To enable this, go to your Account tab, Settings, Uncontacted Leads, Default Intro Sequence. Then tap the gear icon to choose which sequence you want to set as your default. So far, we've shown you how to receive and contact your leads with Privyr as a solo user. If you're working in a team, Privyr helps you coordinate that too. You can invite your team members, set up automatic lead assignment, and gain full visibility over everyone's activities and progress with their leads. Once you've invited your team and connected your lead sources, You can set up rules to automatically assign new leads to specific team members or distribute them in round-robin mode based on specific criteria. To learn how to set up automatic lead assignment in Privyr, check out our other video, link in the description below. Privyr gives you full visibility and control over every lead and team member. You can manage permissions to control what each team member can do in Privyr, including which leads they can view and contact. You can see their first response time across all leads to know how long they took to make first contact. You can even receive alerts if your team isn't responding to new leads fast enough, allowing you to take proactive action before a lead goes cold. Privyr also lets you create sub-teams, centrally share branded sales content, and many more. For more details on how to use Privyr with the team, watch our other video, link in the description below. If you are generating leads from Facebook lead ads, you can use our built-in Meta Leads Ad Optimization tool, powered by Meta Conversion API. This is the fastest and easiest way to train your Facebook ads algorithm to find you higher quality leads at lower cost. Meta Leads Ad Optimization is automatically set up once you connect Privyr to your Facebook account. You just need to update the lead stage for every Facebook lead in Privyr, like from interested to test drive book. Privyr will automatically send that data back to Meta to optimize your campaigns, ensuring they target higher quality leads who are similar to those you converted. Ultimately, you can use Privyr as a CRM to track and manage all your leads, activities, and team members in one place. Once your leads are in Privyr, you can easily view their details and add or update their custom fields from your phone or laptop. You can also use filters to quickly find and re-engage past leads in one click. Privyr automatically logs your activity with each lead to their timeline. You can view the full activity timeline containing all your past and upcoming activity across all leads, including activities logged by your team members. If you want to view only specific activity, you can even filter by date, team member, activity type, and more. You'll also have various dashboards that give you all the key information at a glance, such as your team's progress with their leads and overall performance. For example, under your Team tab on Privyr Web, you'll find your team dashboard. It shows you exactly how many leads were assigned to each team member within a date range, how many they've contacted, how fast they responded, and how many follow-up activities they've done. You can also find many more dashboards under your Analytics tab, such as your team's sales funnel analysis, activities breakdown by team member, activities breakdown by date and time, which lets you visualize your team's sales activity by week, date, or even hour. These dashboards make it much easier and faster to identify your top performing team members and campaigns, spot area for improvement, and make sure every lead gets the attention they need. Whether you want to instantly receive leads from your sources, set up an autoresponder, or run a full mobile CRM that helps you follow up automatically, Privyr has everything you need. You can start small or scale big with the team, and Privyr will grow with you. Try Privyr today and convert more leads into clients, right from your phone than ever.